Brain Explorers go! Hi Brain Explorers! Let's learn the alphabet with yummy fruits and vegetables. Parents, don't forget to download your free alphabet flashcards. The link is in the video description below. Let's go! A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. A is also for avocado, apricot, asparagus, artichoke, and arugula. Wow, so many A foods. B is for banana, my favorite. B is also for broccoli, blueberries, bell peppers, beets, and even Brussels sprouts. Yum yum. C is for carrot, crunchy and orange. C is also for cucumber, corn, cabbage, cauliflower, celery, and cherries. Also tasty. D is for dates. Sweet little fruits that give you energy. D is also for dragonfruit, durian, and daikon, a big white radish. E is for eggplant, purple and shiny. E is also for elderberries, endive, and edamame. F is for fig, sweet and chewy. F is also for fennel, feijoa, and French beans. G is for grapes, juicy and round. G is also for guava, green beans, ginger, garlic, and gooseberries. So delicious. H is for honeydew melon, sweet and green. H is also for huckleberry, horseradish, hazelnut, and fresh herbs. I is for iceberg lettuce, crunchy and cool. I is also for Indian fig and Italian parsley. J is for jackfruit, a giant fruit full of flavor. J is also for jicama, jalapeno, and juniper berries. Have you tried any of these? K is for kiwi, fuzzy outside, green inside. K is also for kale, kumquat, and kohlrabi. Have you ever tried these? L is for lemon, sour and zesty. L is also for lime, lettuce, lychee, leek, and even lentils. M is for mango, juicy and tropical. M is also for melon, mushrooms, mulberries, and mandarins. Also tasty fruits. N is for nectarine, smooth like a peach. N is also for navel orange, Napa cabbage, and nori, that's seaweed. O is for orange, sweet and tangy. O is also for olives, onions, okra, and oregano. Also tasty. P is for pineapple, spiky outside, sweet inside. P is also for peach, pear, plum, papaya, peas, pumpkin, and peppers. Wow, so many P foods. Q is for quince, a golden fruit that tastes great in jams. Q is also for quinoa and Queen Anne cherries. R is for raspberry, sweet and tiny. R is also for radish, raisins, rhubarb, and romaine lettuce. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. S is also for spinach, squash, starfruit, and sweet potatoes. All of them are so sweet. T is for tomato, red and round. T is also for tangerine, turnip, and thyme. Yummy. Also nice. U is for ugly fruit, a tangy fruit like an orange. U is also for uyoko and yuba, a purple yam. V is for Valencia orange, super sweet and juicy. V is also for vanilla beans and lots of vegetables. W is for watermelon, a summertime favorite. W is also for walnuts, wasabi, and wheatgrass. X is for zigua, that's another word for watermelon. X is also for himania, a sour fruit that grows on trees. So fun. Y is for yam, sweet and filling. Y is also for yuzu, yellow squash, and young coconut. Wow. Z is for Zucchini, a green veggie that's fun to cook with. Z is also for Ziziphus, that's jujube fruit. And zebra tomatoes. Great job, brain explorers. You just learned your ABCs with tasty fruits and veggies. Watch again to see how many fruits and vegetables you remember. See you next time, brain explorers.